Welcome to Real Cash. If you are looking for real ways to make money online, then you are in the right place. Whether it's freelancing, side hustles, or passive income, I break it all down step by step only for you so that you can start earning from anywhere in the world. No more scams, no more hype, just practical proven methods to help you build a real income online. If you're a beginner looking to land your first freelance gig or grow your online business, I have got your back. So hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification so that you can never miss a video. Let's start building your online income together. First, pick a service you can offer. Alright, step 1. Before you can make money freelancing, you need to decide what service you are going to offer. And don't worry, even if you think you have no skills, I will show you how to find the right one for you. Freelancing is all about solving problems for clients. So, here's the trick you don't need to be an expert. Many beginners start with simple services that don't require years of experience, like writing and blogging. You can blog posts, project descriptions, resumes, etc. You can do graphic design like logos, social media posts like using Canva and all. And you can also do video editing like short form videos from TikTok Reels, then virtual assistants like email handling, data entry, admin work. In social media management, you can do posting content, engagements, etc. You can do voiceovers and transcriptions like reading scripts, converting audio. Now, how do you pick the right one? Ask yourself these three simple questions. What are you already good at? Even your hobbies count. Then, what can you learn quickly? Use free YouTube tutorials. Then, what do businesses need help with? Like, look at job listings on Fiverr, Upwork, etc. Let's take Fiverr an example. If I search for beginner friendly gigs, I find tons of services that don't require expert skills like background removal, writing captions, or simple graphic designs. So pick any one service, keep it simple, and move to the next step. Build your own portfolio, stick with me, and I will show you exactly how to do that next. Now, create a portfolio even without experience. So, you have picked a service to offer. But now, you are thinking, how do I prove my skills? If I have never worked with a client before, then don't worry. I will show you how to build a portfolio fast. A portfolio is just a collection of your best work. Sometimes you can show to potential clients to prove that you can do the job, like sample projects, even if they are made up. Personal work related to your niche, then before and after examples for designs, editing, etc. Then case studies or more client work. Now here's the secret. You don't need real clients to make a portfolio. You can create your own sample projects that show off your skills. So you don't need a client. You just need proof that you can do the job. And once you have a few samples, it's time to put them somewhere professional. So now you have a solid portfolio even without experience. Now next, I will show you how to set up freelance profile on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork to start getting real clients. First, sign up on freelance platform. Alright, you have picked a service to offer and build your portfolio. Now it's time to get on freelance platform and start getting clients. But which one should you sign up for? Let me show you top freelance website for beginners. First is Fiverr, great for beginners. Set up your own gigs. In Upwork, apply for jobs and send proposals. In Freelancer, similar to Upwork, it is great for projects. People per hour, good for high-paying gigs. TopTal and Viva promotedly for more skilled freelancers. If you are just starting out, I recommend Fiverr or Upwork. Fiverr lets you create a service and wait for buyers, while Upwork allows you to apply for jobs directly. Let's quickly walk through the sign up process. First, go to fiverr.com and click join. Use an email or Google account to sign up. Then choose a professional username, something simple like John Writes or Designed by Lisa, etc. Now, how to set up a great freelancer profile? Firstly, it's your profile picture. Use a clear, friendly photo of yourself. Then title. Keep it simple, professional, logo designer, fast and affordable. The description. Focus on how you help clients. For example, create eye-catching logos to help business just stand out. In skills and experiences, add relevant skills even if you are beginner. Avoid making it all about you. Just focus on what you can do for the client. For example, instead of saying I am a beginner writer, just say I write high quality engaging blog posts to help businesses grow. On Upwork, the process is a bit different. You will need to create a profile, add your skills, and send proposals to clients. I will show you how to write a winning proposal in the next step. Alright, now you are signed up on freelance platform and ready to start applying for gigs. In the next step, I will show you how to write proposal that actually gets you hired, so stay tuned. Now apply for jobs and send proposals. Now comes the most important part, applying for jobs and sending proposal. This is where a lot of beginners get stuck, but don't worry. I will show you exactly how to write proposals that get clients to say yes. On platforms like Upwork and Freelancer, you will find hundreds of job postings every day. But instead of applying to everything, just focus on jobs that match your skills and experience level. Now, how to pick the right job? Just look for beginner friendly jobs. For example, simple logo design, basic writing tasks, etc. Now, check client reviews and payment history. Just avoid clients with bad feedback. Now, apply to new job posts. Less competition means higher chances of getting hired. Now let's talk about writing a winning proposal. Most beginners send generic message like I can do this job, please hire me. But don't do that. You need to stand out by personalizing your proposal. The perfect proposal formula is number 1, personalized greeting. Use the client names if available. Number 2, show how you read the job post. Mention something specific about the request. Number 3, explain why you are a great fit. Highlight your skills and experience. Number 4, give a quick example of your work, like link to your profile or attach samples. Now, end with a call to action. Just ask a simple question to keep the conversation going. Once you have a written great proposal, just hit send and wait for a response. Some clients reply fast while others take time, so keep applying to multiple jobs every day. Market yourself outside platforms. Alright, now you are freelancer platform applying for jobs, but here's the secret to getting even more clients. You don't have to rely on Fiverr and Upwork. You can find high-paying clients outside of this platform too. Let me show you how. One of the best way to find clients for free is by using LinkedIn. Make sure your profile is optimized with a clear headline, description and portfolio link. Then start connecting with business owners and engaging with the post. See, no begging, no spam, just offering value. This approach works on Twitter and Facebook groups too. Just engage in conversation and mention your skills when it makes sense. Now, the key is to focus on solving their problem instead of just saying, I am a freelancer, hire me. This makes client actually work with you. So now you know how to market yourself outside of freelance platform and bring in even more clients. In the next step, I will show you how to deliver high quality work and keep clients coming back. Thanks for watching the video and please don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Thank you.